Welcome back to the Ultimate Challenge. Today, we are playing Guess the Animal in 3, 5, 7, 10 seconds. We have 100 animals waiting for you, from easy to impossible. You only have 3 seconds to guess before the time runs out. Can you name them all? Let's find out. Ready, set, go! The king of the jungle. Roar! Did you get it? Man's best friend. Such a good boy. It loves to chase mice. Meow, perfect start. The largest land animal. Look at that trunk. It loves playing in the mud. Oink, oink, so cute. A big cat with stripes. Stripes look cool. It has long ears and hops. Hop, hop, hop. It loves bananas. Banana lover. It loves honey and sleeping. Big and fuzzy. It lays eggs for breakfast. Good morning. It likes to swim in the pond. Quack, quack. You can ride this animal. Run like the wind. We get milk from this animal. Moo got milk. Its wool keeps us warm. So fluffy. Black and white bear from China. Bamboo eater. The tallest animal on earth. Such a long neck, like a horse with stripes. Black and white. It has no legs and slithers. Scary. Very small and likes cheese. Squeak, squeak. Green and jumps high. Ribbit. It carries a shell on its back. Slow and steady. It lives underwater. Just keep swimming. It used to be a caterpillar. Beautiful wings. It makes honey. Busy bee. A bird that cannot fly. Happy feet. It has a pouch for its baby. Welcome to Australia, the ship of the desert. Watch out for the hump. It has 8 arms. That is a lot of legs. It has a big horn on its nose. Tough as a tank. A pink bird that stands on one leg. So elegant and pink. A wise bird awake at night. Hoo, hoo. Clever and orange. What does the fox say? Often found in the forest. Oh dear! The only mammal that can fly. It sleeps upside down. Dangerous predator of the sea. Baby shark, doo-doo. The big biggest animal in the ocean. Giant of the ocean. Very smart and playful swimmer. So smart and playful. A very strong primate. King Kong. Large and loves water. Hungry, hungry hippo. Reptile with many teeth. See you later, alligator. Ancestor of the dog. Howling at the moon. A bird with amazing eyesight. Flying high. It walks sideways. Snip, snap. It loves acorns and nuts. Where is my nut? A bird with a colorful tail fan. Show off those feathers. It eats eucalyptus leaves. Sleepyhead. A big bird that runs very fast. It cannot fly. An elegant white bird. Graceful swimmer. The fastest runner on land. Fastest land animal. It looks like a bandit. The trash panda. Halftime. Let's take a quick break. Find the odd emoji in 5 seconds. Did you find the tiger? Like the video if you did. Now let's get harder. It has a beak like a duck. Nature is weird sometimes. It changes color to hide. Master of disguise. Small and spiky. Gotta go fast like Sonic. The slowest animal on Earth. Taking its time. Look at those long tusks. The tooth walker. It wears armor. Built like a tank. Sharp quills on its back. Don't touch. Sharp. They stand up to watch. Standing guard. Long striped tail from Madagascar. I like to move it, move it. It laughs like a human. Why are you laughing? It has a long nose to eat bugs. Snack time for ants. It builds dams and rivers. Nature's engineer. Big and strong with horns. Strong and wild. It has huge antlers. Look at those antlers. Related to camels, lives in Andes. Don't let it spit on you. Similar to llama, but smaller. So fluffy and soft. They float on their backs. Holding hands while sleeping. A bird with a pouch for fish. What a big mouth. It has a giant colorful beak. Colorful beak. Bird found at the beach. Mine, mine, mine. Ocean creature with claws. Fancy dinner. It has a stinging tail. Watch out for the tail. A scavenger bird. Waiting for a snack. Australian marsupial. Cube-shaped poop. Really? Black and white face stripes. Don't mess with him. The unicorn of the sea. It's actually a tooth. It can regenerate its limbs. Minecraft fans know this one. The only mammal with scales. Rolling into a ball. It looks like a pig with a trunk. A very strange nose. The largest rodent in the world. Okay, I pull up. It is a giant lizard. A real-life dragon. Cute animal from the Himalayas. Not a raccoon, not a panda. It always looks like it's smiling. Happiest animal on earth. It looks grumpy and slimy. So sad and squishy, related to the giraffe. Zebra legs, horse body, a bird with a dinosaur helmet. The most dangerous bird, a fox with giant ears. Look at those big ears, a monkey with a big nose. What a nose! A microscopic animal. the invincible water bear. It has a powerful punch. Super powerful punch. Lemur with a long, creepy finger. Creepy fingers. Octopus with ear-like fins. Those ears are fins. A mole with a weird nose. Alien face. It looks like floating seaweed. Is it a plant or fish? A tall bird with a shoe-shaped bill. It stares into your soul. Slow swimmer in rivers. The sea cow. It screams very loud. Small but ferocious. It fights lions. He doesn't care. A blue sea slug. The blue dragon. An antelope with a strange nose. That nose is unforgettable. Wow, we made it to the end. That was 100 animals in fast speed. Did you get the impossible ones right? Tell me your score in the comments. 20, 50, or 100 over 100? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next challenge. Bye-bye.